Hello everyone. Today we will learn a Java program to check neon number. So first of all, let's understand what is neon number. A neon number is that whose sum of digits of square of a number is equal to the number itself. Okay, let's take the example like 9. If we do the square of 9, that is 81, and if we add the sum of the digit of 81, that is 8 plus 1, again the sum will be 9, that is number itself. So how to write a program to check whether the inputted value is neon number or not? So let's start the code. So let's open any old program, let's copy some lines. Okay, so this is a program based on input. So the first line will be import java.util.scanner. We have to give a name to the class. The class name we will give later on. Okay, after the class name, opening braces, the scope of the class, then the main function, most important function of the program. Okay, then again opening braces. From here the scope of main function will begin. To take number as input, we have declared a variable int num. We'll provide a message to the user, that is enter first number or enter the number, not first number, it should be enter the number. Okay, and what we will do, we will write there sc.nextInt. Okay, we will receive the input from user and that will be stored in the variable num. Okay, now what we have to do next, we are going to do the square of the number. Okay, num into num means the square of the number will be stored in a variable. Let's create the variable, let's give the name it to sq. Okay, after that what we are going to do, we will declare another variable, that is int sum. Let's keep the initial value of sum 0. Okay, and for checking it, for checking the number whether it is neon or not, let's run a loop. Okay, and what will be the condition in loop? The loop will run until this condition is true. What is the condition? sq is not equal to 0. If sq is not equal to 0, till then the loop will run. Okay, now we will module the number by 10 and we will store the remainder in the variable a. After that we have to divide the number by 10 because we have to find out the digit. To find out the number of digit in a number, we have to module it, and once we have to divide it. After modulation, in the sum we will add the value. Okay, so sum equal to sum plus a, that is sum plus equal to a, means the previous value of sum and plus current value of a will be stored in sum itself. Okay, then after we have to divide the sq, that is the square of the number, by 10. Okay, sq is equal to sq by 10, so we will write by using the shorthand operator, that is sq divided equal to 10. In this way we will get the number of digits and their sum. Let's close the loop, and now what we have got, we have got the sum and our original number is num. If both are equal, if both are equal, it means that the particular number is neon. If they are not equal, it means that the number is not neon. So we will give a message, let's copy that, and we will use system.out.print function, and we will write the number is neon. So before that we will also mention the number also. So number is stored in the num variable, so we will write num. We will use concatenation operator, and then we will give a message that is a neon number. Okay, and if this is not true, then we have to write the else part. We will write else, then opening braces, the same message will be copied here, then again num, concatenation operator, and what we have to do, we will just write here is not a neon number. We will close the else part we will close main function, and then we will close the class. Okay, now we have to save the program. Let's go, let's change the class name here. Okay, we will keep the class name neon, Neon. Then after we'll go to file and we will click on save as option. Okay, so here we will have to give the name of the file, that is neon.java. In the save as type we will select all files and we will click on save button. Let's open command prompt and let's compile and execute the program. So we'll go to F drive where the program is saved. Let's type cd, the folder name Java program. Now let's write javac space the name of the program, that is neon.java. Now after the compilation we find that there are two errors. Okay, so we have to put there, we have to remove these double inverted commas. Okay, let's go to the code, let's go down where we have to put here a concatenation sign and we have to remove the double inverted comma from the number where the variable is. Okay, so that will be corrected. Now we will save it and let's move to command prompt. Let's recompile the program. Let's type javac space neon.java. Now the program is compiled successfully. Now I will type java space program name, that is neon. Enter the first number. You can see the number is entered 9 and this is a neon number. Let's re-execute it. Enter the number 1. What we see, this number is also neon number. Like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest notifications.